Use Supplier Collaboration Portal to submit a technical support request for any of the available catalog items. You will have access to many different catalog items like ask a question, deactivate a user account, enroll a new user, submit an idea, submit or report an issue, update banking details, update locations details, update profile details, and update default supplier. The process for submitting a request for any of these items is very similar. But for our purpose, let's update the location details. In the category field, we add the delivery address, then select a location and submit. A case is opened, and we can track the progress of our request until it is resolved. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.